Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Let's talk about Rigetti. Rigetti up 24%. If you are in the Discord, then you know already what happened. This morning, I woke up in pre-market, and I'm like, hey, guys, I think this one's due for another pump. We may have found the bottom here. Let's take advantage of this next pump. And so what I did is I went into the alerts room, and I told everyone exactly that. I'm like, hey, added 25 at 9.67, everyone. Rigetti stock scaling in, don't lump sum. Just to clarify, long-term swing, like I said, $50 from highs. Quantum computing is the future. Those who were with me when sound was at $5 and under, you know what's up. Gotta believe in hold. Added another 25 shares here at 991. Added another 50 here, 1026, and just kept scaling in. Then I sold it off for a nice day trade. Big accounts at Nvidia, and then add more Nvidia. We alerted Nvidia because that one's at the bottom and the easiest money ever. But yeah, as you can see, we were on top of it from the morning. Like, hey, I think quantum computing is getting ready to move. And so we made our money. I think someone in the Discord made $1,000 or something. I don't know. We just went in for the day trade. And yeah, you can see we just talk a lot. Blah, blah, blah. What's happening? Here's what's happening. Here's what I'm doing. Here's what I'm waiting for. What do you think of this stock, that stock? And I'm just on top of everything. But oh yeah, he made 1,373 on Rigetti. And so yeah, like we're making our money, and we're just being patient and disciplined and waiting for the setups, waiting for the bottoms. And yeah, I think Rigetti can continue here. We'll be watching it for tomorrow. It can definitely continue. Again, quantum computing is the future. So the question is it going to continue, and how far? If we go for this gap close, it can go back to 20. It can absolutely go back to 20. Absolutely. Crossover is underway as well. Increasing volume as well. Like, there's a lot of potential here for a nice run back to 20. We'll see if it happens, and we'll position ourselves accordingly like we did today. We took advantage of these pumps. And I think there was no news, right? I think that's it. It's just pumping because it was so oversold. Quantum computing stocks rise after Microsoft says 2025 is the year to be quantum ready. Yeah, quantum computing is the future. I still think Rigetti is going to be 100. It's going to be worth 100 in the future. But you got to be patient with it. Either way, I did my trade. And we know that Nvidia has, March 20th? I believe that in March they have a quantum computing presentation, I believe, if I recall. I'd have to check the news. I think I have it somewhere in here, but we know they have, let's see, March 20th, Nvidia celebrating and exploring this remarkable progress in quantum computing by announcing its first quantum day at GTC 2025. So Nvidia's already moving up. I think that one's going to go to 200, so I already alerted that one. Quantum computing, we're taking advantage of the pumps, but still being cautious. We have not gotten that crossover in the MACD, but that just because it didn't cross over, that doesn't mean I won't take advantage of of any pumps we might get. And you can see quantum computing stocks on the left hand side, 22, 24, 30. They're all pumping. They're all pumping, some more than others. Even robotic stocks here. Everything's pumping. Now we're finally reversing. Now you want to buy. Now you want to load up. Not back when it was still dumping. Too many people were averaging down here. No, you wait when it actually bottoms out and shows signs of a reversal. Then you start jumping in and taking advantage of those 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% moves. You can also position yourself for a swing trade, but I'm waiting for the crossover to position myself for a swing trade. I want momentum and buyers on my side. We're still technically fighting sellers here. And you can tell we're fighting sellers. You can see right here, look at those wicks on either side. There's still sellers in here. There's still sellers. So that's why I'm waiting for the MACD crossover to play the swing. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. Not much else to talk about. You know what to do. I think we're near a bottom here. Wait for the crossover. If you're in the Discord, we might take advantage of more pumps. Despite the crossover not happening. If there's opportunity, I'm going to be there to take advantage of any pumps that happen. Guys, Quantum computing is the future. This dump, nothing more than an opportunity for longs, investors to add and hold for the next 10, 20 years, and you're just going to make hand over fist money. Everyone who bought Nvidia back when it was like at dollars, they made like 300,000% return. So you just got to wait. You got to wait. You got to have patience, whether you're day trading, swing trading, wait for the setup, or if you're investing long term, you want to buy as cheap as possible and hold for the 10, 20 years and make a lot of returns. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I'm losing my voice. I can't keep talking.